Hello everyone, this is Miss Fisher and I am going to make a quick video on how to submit your weekly task and maybe where to find it. If you already know how to do this and you are doing this weekly, there is no need to watch this video. For the rest of you who are having a challenging time with this, please watch. When you sign into Blackboard, you're going to automatically come to weekly announcements. You need to read these. Down here it says weekly task 3. This is your first assignment for the week. After Wednesday, you will not be able to complete it. The weekly task is also your contact assignment. This is two-way contact, which is required between you and me each week. How do you find it? It tells you right here where to go. But also over here, you go to Submit Weekly Task here. Click on the link. And right now, it's just week 3. Next week, you're going to see week 4. The week after, week 5. Right here, you're going to click on this link, and it's going to open the Word document. On this Word document, you are going to fill it out. You can put the date. I think what is it, September 21st? Or you can just say week 3. I know what week we're on. Okay, put your name. Okay, what grade level are you? Okay, what school do you attend? I'm going to say Ferris because I graduated from Ferris. Are you signed up for Remind? Yes. If not, please sign up for Remind. Also, give me a number. That's a good contact number for you, just in case I need to call you after reading this document. Okay? What is your current grade? You're going, well, I don't know what my current grade is. You're going to go over here to the Grade Center, My Grades. Go over to My Grades. You probably want to look this up before you click on the Submit Assignments. It's taking a bit. Internet's a little slow. Okay, over here, you're going to see current grade, total grade. Current grade, total grade. You are going to be writing both these grades, and you'll see the percentage over here. And here is, you'll see what assignments you have completed and your feedback. Okay, go back to Submit Weekly Task. Okay, and then go ahead and write in here, and I'm going to be optimistic. I'm going to say I have 100% and 100%. Okay, do you have any missing assignments? Well, heck no, I did all my work. If I did, I would list here, I still need to complete, I'm just going to say P-5 and P-6. Now this is going to be different for Spanish 2 and Spanish 4. Okay, do you have any questions for me? Yes. Okay, can you check P-2D? I keep missing question 5. This is just an example. You can put anything here that you want to let me know. You could, just say, hey, I'm doing this next week. I won't be around, or I am so confused on this assignment. Whatever you need, put it here. What I will do then when I read this, I will go right to that assignment, check on it, leave you feedback, and then when I return this to you with a comment, I'll say, please check feedback. Now, if I think this needs a quick call or a remind text, I will text you through Remind going, hey, you misspelled 5 words. That's why you got this wrong. Or I'll let you know, or I'll say, hey, check your feedback for P-2. Now, you're going to turn this assignment in every single week. If you turn this in on Sundays, you get 4 out of 3 points, so you earn extra credit. If you turn it in on Monday, you get full credit. Tuesday, 2 out of 3, and Wednesday, 1 out of 3. After Wednesday, this assignment disappears and you may not turn it in. Okay, now just save it. You want to save this to your desktop, and the only reason why I'm saying you want to save this to your desktop is because you want to use the same document every week, and you're just going to change the information. You'll just change it. So for next week, get on there, change it for week ending week 4. Change this to 4. This will change if you've done work. You may have completed this already, so get rid of that, and then ask me a different question if you have one. It is that simple. Okay, so I've saved this. Now it is time to go to the link. Click on the link, browse my computer, and then I'm going to go down here. I have a lot of stuff. Weekly task 3. Oh, wait, no, it's this one. There we go. Open. Down here in the right-hand corner, hit submit. And you're going to see if it comes through. You want to make sure when you submit this that you have completed the document, because I do get a lot of blank documents. And I'm assuming that's from the Chromebook. I think Chromebooks are hard to save and upload. Okay, that's the one I want to submit. You want to make sure it's week 3, done, and then hit OK. And once you submit that, you will get notification through email that you have submitted the assignment. And that is it. If you have any questions at all, please contact me. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.